Balance is sort of the first things to go as we age, so it's really important to stay strong in order to prevent falling. I have the perfect tool to help you stay strong. So be sure to watch this video and learn just how to use it. Hi, my name's Gretchen, your virtual Pilates instructor, as well as founder of Balance to the Core. I'm here every week with a new video, so be sure to hit that subscribe button as well as the bell next to it to get notified whenever I have a new video. So today we are working with the half foam roller. So there is a full version. This is the half version, and this is one of my favorite tools to use. I also did a full body workout on this, so you can just check that little eye up there in the corner to get access to a full body workout. Today, though, we are going to be working into the foot and ankle. We wear shoes all day, so our feet get very neglected, and those muscles aren't used to being worked. So we're going to work into them a little bit today. We're going to work around the ankle as well. A lot of us has very weak ankles, and we want to strengthen them in order to help with our balance. And of course, we're going to be working into the hip and the abs because, of course, those are really important in our balance as well. And be sure to stick around to the end where I have a free little something for you that has to do with the half foam roller. All right, so let's get started. So before we do anything, I want to stretch out the calf, the ankle, the foot. Make sure you're next to something that you can hold on to for balance in case you need it, okay? Even if it's just a fingertip, it does help with your balance, and then you can let go whenever you need to. All right, so right now I just want you to get your feet so they're about sit bone distant apart. Your heels are down on the ground, and then your feet are up onto that foam roller. And I want you to find a neutral pelvis here, so you're not leaning forward. Don't push your pelvis forward. Really try to get the pelvis right underneath the shoulders. And hold here and breathe. And then to get deeper into the stretch, I don't want you to lean forward or change your pelvis at all. I just want you to push your heels into the ground. Push into your big toe knuckles a little bit. Push your pelvis down towards the floor. And then lift your spine up to the ceiling. So you're really engaging all the muscles. Make sure your knees aren't locking up. Engage your hamstrings and your seat. And then when you feel like you really have your alignment, I just want you to tilt an inch forward. That's it. And feel your heels grounding and your feet grounding even more. Feel your pelvis getting heavier, but keep it neutral. And then just lift the crown of your head up to the ceiling. Good. And then release it. Good job. Okay, so from here, we're going to go a little bit further up onto the foam roller and take the whole arch of your foot onto it. So now let's stretch the whole arch of your foot. Keep your pelvis neutral and just sort of sway back and forth and massage underneath your foot because we wear shoes all day. So we need to give those feet a little tender love and care, right? So just back and forth. It might be a little too much for some of you, so just be careful, be mindful, and just be gentle. And then just lower it back a little bit. Your heels might touch the ground, they might not, that's fine. We're just gonna alternate some heels here. Now, as you alternate your heels, we're now working into the ankle joint. And be careful you don't shift into your hips, so you don't wanna go side to side. You really wanna stay up and centered. Draw the belly in, the shoulders back. You can take both hands on your hips or hold your surface for a little balance. Let's go 10 more here. And every time you switch, I want you to really lift your head up towards the sky. 4 more. 4, 3, breathe, 2, 1. Now hold right here. Lift both heels up and connect them together. All right, so now they're zipped together, and I want you to bend your knees down. And what I'm doing here is, I will turn towards you, is I'm just making a little V with my knees, okay? So here I am. Woo, I'm just gonna hold my surface here for a sec. You're just bending down and holding, okay? So now I want you to feel sort of your heels connect with your seat, connect with your abs. And then we're just gonna zip it up and bend it down. Up and down. So if you've ever done bar workouts with me, this is a bar workout, but we now have an unstable surface. So we got a little bit more work to do in the ankle stability, which is weak on most of us, and that's where a lot of injury seems to happen. So we want to just make sure those muscles stay nice and strong. Ooh, and the foam roller is great for that. 2 more. It's challenging. And 1 more. Good, zip it up and then lower down. Okay, so now we are going to widen your stance. So get your legs a little bit wider than your hips. All right, I want to show you the profile. You're gonna lift your heels up. So you're in like just a bit of a turnout, not really. All right, so lift those heels up and then lower them down, but don't touch the ground. Lift and lower. You might even feel your ankles shaking a little bit already. They're not used to all this attention, right? 5 more. Lift, squeeze your seat, squeeze your abs. 4 more. 4, 3, 2 more. 2, I want you to keep those heels up on 1, and then bend your booty back, okay? Make sure your knees haven't shot forward, and then straighten it up and lower the heels. Lift, back, up, lower. So all I'm doing is sticking my hips back, okay? That's it. Nothing else is bending or flexing. One more time. Up, and then lower it on down. Good. Come out of it, and now we're going to turn it so that the round side is on the bottom. And I want you to take one foot onto there and just balance that, okay? Get a slight bend in that knee so you can gauge your seat and not sit into the hip. Lift the ball of the foot of that opposite leg so you can keep your pelvis neutral. And then let go of whatever you're holding onto, okay? Try to do this without holding onto any surface. And you're just gonna lift up and you're gonna hold and you're gonna balance, and we're gonna breathe 3 full deep breaths. Inhale, exhale. 2 more, try not to change the pelvis or shift the weight. Lift your knee as high as you can without flexing the spine. 1 more time. Good, and release it. Nice job. Let's go the other way. I'm actually just going to shift other side. Okay, so now get your other foot on there. All right, stabilize. Feel a little bend in the knee because we want to work the hip joint as well, so the side seat and abs. So a lot of stability here. Get on the ball of your foot, find it, get both hands on the hips, and then just let the knee float up as high as you can without tucking the pelvis under. Okay, so really find that neutral shape and hold and balance. All right, 3 deep, full breaths. Inhale. Exhale. 2 more. Inhale. Exhale. Can you lift a little higher? Don't tuck the pelvis under. 1 more. And exhale. Good job. So from here, I'm just going to stay on this foot, and I'm going to go and I'm going to bounce now this way. Now I'm going to reach my arms forward and try to stay square and hold it for a few seconds, just breathing. Breathe. Squeeze your seat and abs. 1 more deep breath. Shoulders away from ears, ears away from shoulders. And release. And let's go the other way, other side. Again, just balance. Hold and shift. Find it, hold it, and breathe it. Abs in, shoulders away. If you want to try to shift over more, try to get as parallel to the floor as you can, maybe. Play with it. 1 more, inhale, exhale. And release. Good job. So I just wanted to show you how you could play with the foam roller a little bit. It's really great for working the stability muscles of the feet and the ankles, as well as your balance. And just remember, I have also a full body foam roller workout, and I'll put it right here so you can just click away and check that out. Also, if you would like a full foam roller workout, I have one of those as well for you for free. Just opt in here and you can get access right away to a full body, full length workout. So thanks so much for watching me this week. I will be back again next week. Be sure to subscribe to this channel so you never miss a video, because I am here every week. And you can also catch me live on Fridays, so do that as well. All right, take care.